So you know how AI chatbots are pretty great at answering your questions? Okay, but what if they could also, I don't know, do your chores, book your travel, and manage your projects? We're about to look at the next massive leap in AI, moving from just answering questions to actually taking action. Let's dive in.
I want you to just imagine this for a second. An AI that doesn't just tell you the best flight to Paris, but actually goes and books it for you. Or one that doesn't just give you a recipe, but orders all the groceries you need to make it. Look, this isn't science fiction anymore. This is the future being built right now, and it all comes down to two super powerful concepts we're about to break down.
So here's the game plan. First, we've got to understand the big problem that's kind of holding today's AI back. Then, we'll look at the first piece of the puzzle, this brilliant AI librarian called RAG. After that, we'll meet the AI thinker, the agent. And then the really cool part, we'll see how these two team up and what that partnership means for all of us.
All right, first up, the AI's big problem. The best way to think about the large language models, the LLMs that power everything, is to picture a brilliant student. I mean, this student has perfectly memorized every single book in the library, but only up until, say, 2022. They haven't read a single newspaper or web page since. They're basically stuck in the past.
And this creates some major limitations. First, they can hallucinate, which is really just a polite way of saying they confidently make stuff up. And because all their knowledge is a snapshot from the past, they are completely clueless about current events. But most importantly, especially for you professionals out there, they're locked out of private data, like your company's latest sales numbers. They're just stuck inside this bubble of old information.
So, how do we fix this? How do we pop that bubble? Well, that brings us to our first key bit of tech, RAG. It stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. And if our LLM is a student, the best way to think about RAG is that it completely changes the game. It turns the AI's test from a closed book exam into an open book one. And this analogy really gets to the heart of it. You see, a standard LLM is taking that closed book exam. It's just relying on what it crammed in its memory ages ago. But with RAG, the AI gets an open book test. It can access a real-time library of information anytime it wants. And that single change transforms its answers from being potentially outdated and generic to current, specific, and, this is the best part, verifiable. You can actually trust the answers because you can see where they came from.
So how does this actually work? Well, it's a surprisingly elegant process. When you ask a question, RAG basically intercepts it. Before the main AI brain even sees your query, RAG acts like a super fast researcher. It zips out to the live internet or your company's private files, finds the most relevant, up-to-the-minute info, and kind of staples it to your original question. Only then does the main AI get the prompt, which is now loaded with all this fresh context. So it's no longer just guessing from memory, it's synthesizing real-time data.
So here's the bottom line. Here's why this matters so much. RAG grounds the AI in reality. And for anyone in a business or professional setting, this is an absolute game changer. It means your AI can suddenly work with your company's latest private financial reports, or your customer service logs, or your team's internal wikis, all of it, securely and accurately.
Okay, so RAG solves the knowledge problem, right? The AI now has the right information. But that's only half the battle. What happens when you need more than just an answer? This brings us to the next big evolution. AI agents. These are designed to shift the AI from simply knowing things to actively doing things.
Think about it. RAG is fantastic for getting you a well-sourced, accurate answer to a question. But what if your request isn't a question at all? What if it's a command? What if you need the AI to actually complete a multi-step task out there in the real world?
And that is exactly where Agentic AI comes in. You can think of an AI agent as a system that can understand a complex goal, create a logical, multi-step plan to get it done, and then, and this is the key, autonomously use tools to execute that plan. It's a thinker and a doer.
Let's go back to our analogy, right? If the standard AI is our brilliant student and RAG gives them an open book for the test, then an agent is like promoting that student to project manager. All of a sudden, they're not just reciting facts anymore. They're managing resources, they're using software, and they're driving a project all the way to the finish line. They just get things done.
Okay, this leads us to what I think is the most exciting part of this whole thing, the powerful partnership between RAG and agents. Now, these are not competing technologies, not at all. They are perfect complements that unlock some absolutely incredible new capabilities when you put them together.
So let's look at a complex, real-world goal. Imagine you give an AI this command: A standard chatbot would just completely choke on this. It can't access your private data, and it certainly can't create a PowerPoint file. But for an AI agent, this is exactly the kind of task it's built for.
So how does the agent handle this? Well, it starts by thinking like that project manager. It plans. It breaks the big goal down into smaller, manageable steps. Then it opens its toolbox. For step 1, it needs data. So what tool does it use? RAG? It uses RAG to securely access your company's database and pull the latest sales figures. Next, it might use a code interpreter tool to analyze that data and find key trends. And finally, it executes by drafting the presentation, and it even verifies its own work for accuracy. It's this complete, autonomous loop of thinking and then acting.
So if we pull all this together, what does this truly autonomous future, powered by this combination of RAG and agents, actually look like for us?
Well, the implications are just massive. We're talking about personal assistants that don't just find vacation options for you, they actually go and book the flights, the hotels, the dinner reservations, the whole thing. We're looking at autonomous software developers that can take a simple feature request and then write, test, and deploy the finished code. Or even a personal finance agent that not only analyzes your spending, but has the permission to automatically move your money into a high-yield savings account or pay your bills. The AI becomes a true collaborator. And this all leads to the ultimate question. We're witnessing this monumental shift from AI as a tool we use for information to AI as a partner we collaborate with for action. And as these agents become more and more capable, it forces us to ask a pretty profound question. When every task has an agent, what work is left for us? It's definitely something to think about. Thanks for joining us.